Miss Radha Sri Krishnan. I'm also going to check for Sri K.V. Ramesh, Kairali Ayurvedic Health Resort Private Limited. Have you joined us from this beautiful part of our country? Sugamdhanale, if you are here, we'd like to invite you on stage. I'm also going to do one more final check just so that I have not left out any names of our guests. Srimati Blossom Saldana, I'll able to give away the awards. We thank the dignitaries. Please do, yes. In fact, one round of good applause for the people who gave away the prizes. For all our dignitaries, I am told by the organizers that there are boxes to keep your trophies. So please.
Good evening to all the dignitaries on the dais and all the fellow entrepreneurs. See, actually, 1 minute, I don't know really what to say. I have a long, let me introduce myself first. I'm Ashokan, Captain Ashokan. I'm in amusement industry since 95. And recently, I have started another industry that's Snow Fantasy, and other one is Fantasy Park. Today, I'm standing here only because of Kerala Financial Corporation. In 95, I was a master mariner, and when I came out from sailing, I went to a lot of banks, and of course, I even went to KSIDC, and all of them refused to support me because I didn't have any prior experience. And I have to thank Madam Sudha Pillai, IAS. She was the CMD of Kerala Financial Corporation at that time. And she agreed to support me within a matter of 15 days. You know, I got my bridge loan. And during those days, you know, it was a big loan for them also, you know, because it was my first loan was around 2.4 crores. And that time, I think KFC didn't have that much of, and she took some special permissions to fund us. And over all these years, now the park, what we started as a small amusement park, today it's a water park. And right through, I have been going to KFC for every one of my loan. And I have, I think, taken more than, 15 or 18 crores from them, you know, for one project. And the other project is also, again, supported by Kerala Financial Corporation. A lot of people talk a lot of things about all these financial institutions, but I'm very happy about them, you know. Today I'm here only because of them. I thank KFC, and I first of all, let me thank Madam also for, you know, the organizers for giving me this award. I really don't know whether I deserve it. Anyway, thank you all. Thank you, and once again, thanks a lot for.
Captain Ashokan, of course, you deserve the award, and very richly. And we are so glad that you came forward to share your journey with us. I'd now like to invite Ms. Vachana M., assisted by the KSFC. Today, she has walked away with the award. Vachana is with us from Gorik Energy Private Limited. All right, so let's probably do the same clapasana, shall we?
Hello, everyone. Thank you for giving this opportunity to speak here. Myself, Vachana. I represent Gorich Energy Private Limited. It's a 1 megawatt solar power plant, and we are the first one in the Chamarajanagar and the second one in Karnataka state to complete the project. It's a farmer scheme project initiated by Karnataka in 2014, and we are one among them. And it was earlier when we got that project, I went to many banks, and it was a green project, and initially it was in Karnataka, it was very new, and many people didn't know about anything solar. So in that time, banks were afraid to give loan, and when we went to KSFC, we got loan from KSFC. There are three things which mainly I want to tell about KSFC. They're very, very approachable. They are just call away. The managers or GMs are, they are very approachable. Our loan got sanctioned by DV Prasad sir, and I'm very, very thankful to everyone in KSFC for that matter. And second thing is, for a project, letter of credit was required, and being a non-banking financial institute, KSFC, they cannot provide LC directly. So they had this board meeting and everything, and this is the first solar project they gave LC through Karnataka Bank, which actually, without that, we couldn't complete our project. So I really thank for that as well. And the third part, which KSFC does their procedure probably, their scrutiny level is very much appreciated. They tell every document that required. They don't miss it, and they guide us how to get whom to approach. We are non-business family, so they helped us to get all the documents required, and the scrutiny level and communicating with other departments are very helpful. They guided and mentored in that aspect. And yeah, without them, this project would have been not possible, or it's become, we could have not achieved in the timeline which we got, or something like that. So I'm very, very thankful to KSFC and also COSI-DC for nominating and giving this award away. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, KSFC.
A first-generation business person and an entrepreneur who you just heard speak about what it meant to be in a place which did not really pose barriers, as we hear often. I think many congratulations to the KSFC team, whom Vachana said had enabled her to become an entrepreneur the way she is today. Thank you so much for sharing your words with us. We have Nagesh in our midst from DataCare Private Limited. Nagesh, could you come forward? Sri Nagesh has also, of course, been an outstanding entrepreneur. I'd like to hear from you.
Good evening, distinguished officers from the executive, wonderful organizers of this event, my fellow industrialists and their families. I'm Nagesh from DataCare Systems. I started off my career with the ISRO Satellite Center. So I was working there for almost half a decade as senior scientist. Subsequently worked for another private limited organization. Then since 1989, this DataCare Systems is established. So, that's about my brief introduction. Then about my experience with KSFC. I think I was very pleased with the policies laid, which are very industry friendly. Then I was also overwhelmed by their quick response, unlike other financial institutions. And in fact, I was pleasantly surprised about all my experiences that I went through in KSFC, whether it is good response and also helping us in filling up all the forms that will not be generally conversant with as technocrats. Next. And it is really pleasant to have noticed all the officers at higher level also working on holidays to speed up to meet the schedules. And these schedules are imposed by people like KADB and other, there will be many other requirements which demand tight schedules. Okay, so but I was really surprised to see that officers at higher level in KSFC, that is Karnataka State Financial Corporation, willing to work on holidays to speed up and meet these schedules. And they also extended great help in executing some surprise orders also. And in fact, we were not very confident when we got these surprise orders. So then KSFC was kind enough to extend their financial help, which really helped us in executing these orders. Likewise, there are so many other points. Repayment installments were relaxed when we were in distress due to the recession in the industry, which many times we go through. At that time, okay, they were really friendly. They helped us so in whatever way they could. And that really made us clear all the loans without any problem because of this relaxation in installments. They've always advised on proper schemes because there will be so many schemes. We will always be bogged down on our technicalities and other things, which these schemes we will not be aware of. Okay, in fact, they look at our background, they look at what kind of help we need and what kind of proper scheme can be advised. So these are the areas they were of great help. They always treated us with respect. Okay, and many other financial institutions I found, they always look at us with suspicion. This is something which I didn't notice in KSFC. Then they also extended help proactively. Okay, it is not only when we approach them, but they, in fact, they approached us. So once in a while they used to call up and ask us, do you need any help? Okay, maybe that is because we are also paying all the EMIs timely, so we could clear all the dues. Then repeated assistance we received, like I said earlier, for acquiring building from KDB, for interior work, for executing big surprise orders, and even for acquiring land recently from in Hardware Technology Park, very close to the international airport. Then subsequently, even for constructing building also, they were very helpful, without which we could not have grown to this extent. I think with this, I must thank KSFC and also the distinct people who helped us in distress. Thank you.
What does it take to be an entrepreneur? When you hear someone like, Mr. Ganeshan, actually, Mr. Nagesh, my apologies, share what it actually meant in terms of the slides, you get an idea, even explaining some of the schemes. And what really was very poignant and moving was the fact that he said being treated with respect. That is so integral to what we really expect. And sometimes it just takes nothing. And I'm so glad to see that come up. I have a few announcements to make, ladies and gentlemen, before we move on to inviting the next set of speakers. One is that apart from the awards, the KSFC itself had selected a few award winners, and because of certain circumstances, we could not honor them today. But the award winners will be notified of the future program in which these awards will be given away. Also, for the information of all our guests, there was a tour program that was arranged, and again, due to these circumstances, that has been cancelled. I'd also like to inform on behalf of the organizers who wanted me to convey that the executive committee meeting of COSIDC would be held after dinner on the second floor of this building. With that, let's listen to what somebody who's come in all the way from Madhya Pradesh has to say. And I'm told Amit Gupta and Shri Dilip Srivastava are here in our midst. And they represent the Rudraksh Industries. We would love to hear from both Shri Amit Gupta and Shri Dilip Srivastava, their thoughts and sharing of what this success means to them.
First of all, thanks for calling us here. It's very tough for an engineer to speak about, and especially an engineer who is a research and development engineer. It's very tough for them. Thank you, Smita ma'am. Help and support to establishing our company in Madhya Pradesh. Honest to you, the same story others also said. We have been gone through banks, other places. Nobody has supported us because it's very tough for the people to understand our business. We are in professional electronics. how many people understand professional electronics in India? Very few. You can set up a machine shop, you can set up a agro business, people understand. But if you say professional electronics, people don't understand. It's a B2B business. There are a lot of ifs and buts, people don't understand. But thanks, MPFC people have come to us, they supported, they listen us, they very patiently they listen us. Even they, again and again, they discussed, then they understood what we do. Then they said, okay, we will definitely finance you. About the Entrepreneurship Award, I think me and my partner Dilip, we were employees. We were working in the MNCs and many years, almost 23 years we worked. In 2007, suddenly one day we thought of, let us start our own company. And I was a support engineer. From a studio to managing director of a company, it's a big journey for me. Thanks, ma'am. Thanks.
Comes in different shades, the kind of industries and what Sri Amit put forth before us. Sometimes it's so not easy to understand a particular mode of business, but it has happened in his case and he has excelled in it. We wish you a lot of good luck and more success in the future. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have somebody in our midst who is going to come and share her journey, and she's going to do that in her Matrabhasha. I think that's such a wonderful thing to do. Srimati T. Sulochana, are you here? From BV Rubber Tech. Srimati T. Sulochana, Vallu Ostunnaru, and I'm going to put my little Telugu knowledge to use to speak after she does.
COCDC President Smita, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఈ అవార్డు వచ్చిందంటే కారణం ఏపీ ఫైనాన్స్ కార్పొరేషన్ వాళ్ళు మాకు చాలా గైడెన్స్ ఇచ్చి అసలు బిజినెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేయడం అంటే ఎట్లాగా అని వాళ్ళని ప్రొసీడ్ అయ్యాము. వాళ్ళు మాకు చాలా గైడెన్స్ ఇచ్చి మాకు సిద్ధార్థ జైన్తో ఐఏఎస్ సిద్ధార్థ జైన్ గారితో వీడియో కాన్ఫరెన్స్ ఏర్పాటు చేశారు.
ఏ ఊరు నుంచి వచ్చారు?
ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్, నెల్లూరు. సార్ మాకు వెంటనే మాకు ఫైనాన్స్ ఏర్పాటు చేశారు. దానివల్ల మేము ఇండస్ట్రీ పెట్టగలిగాము. అందరికీ స్టేట్ ఫైనాన్స్ కార్పొరేషన్ వాళ్ళందరికీ మా కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలుపుకుంటున్నాము. ఈ అవార్డుకి ఎంపికైనందుకు కారణం వాళ్ళేను. ఏపీ గవర్నమెంట్కి కూడా థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పుకుంటున్నాము. 21 డేస్లో మాకు అన్ని అప్రూవల్స్ అప్రూవల్స్ అన్నీ ఇచ్చారు. ఫస్ట్ టైం నేను మాట్లాడడం. సో వెరీ సారీ, ఎంత తప్పులుంటే క్షమించండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
బాగా మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. మీ ఇండస్ట్రీతో చెప్పండి.
నా పేరు సులోచన. నేను రబ్బర్ ఇండస్ట్రీ స్టార్ట్ చేసాము.
మొదటి నుంచి రబ్బర్లోనే ఉన్నారా?
రబ్బర్లో 20 ఇయర్స్ నుంచి మా హస్బెండ్ వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు రబ్బర్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో. తర్వాత మేము ఎందుకు సొంతంగా స్టార్ట్ చేయకూడదు అనుకొని ఇండస్ట్రీ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలని అనుకున్నాము. వెంటనే మా ఫైనాన్స్ కార్పొరేషన్ వాళ్ళని, ఏపీ ఫైనాన్స్ కార్పొరేషన్ వాళ్ళని సంప్రదించాము. కష్టమేం లేదండి, మాకు చాలా హెల్ప్ చేశారు. చాలా అసలు మమ్మల్ని చాలా గౌరవంగా చూసి చాలా మాకు గైడెన్స్ ఇచ్చి ఎట్లా ఏమేం కావాలి, దానికి అవసరమైనవన్నీ సర్టిఫికేట్స్ కానీ ఏవైనా వాళ్ళు చాలా ఓపికగా వచ్చి మా ప్రతి ఇది ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చి ప్రతిసారి మాకు అవసరమైనప్పుడల్లా మా మిషనరీ చూసి వెంటనే మాకు ఫైనాన్స్ ఏర్పాటు చేశారు. వాళ్ళకి అందరికీ నేను చాలా కృతజ్ఞరాలుగా ఉన్నాను. చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. సిద్ధార్థ జైన్ గారికి మెయిన్ మా కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలుపుకుంటున్నాను. అరే
థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీరు ఎక్కడే ఉండండి. ట్రాన్స్లేషన్ సరిగా చేయలేదు అంటే మీరు కరెక్ట్ చేయాలి కదా. So yeah, I am attempting to just मैं अनुवाद करना चाहती हूँ कि जो सुलोचना जी कह रही थी हमसे that it was of course a 20-year effort of her enterprise. Rubber Tech, BV Rubber Tech is the name of her industry, and she would like to place on record her appreciation and gratitude on behalf of her husband, Shri Balasubramaniam T, to this IAS officer, Shri Siddharth Jain. She said that because of him, it all became very easy. And, in terms of the schemes and in terms of what machinery, which way to apply, all that became a lot more easier. And she also mentioned that the certificates, essentially that the process of setting up her industry became a lot more easy. And she would also like to place on record her appreciation for, of course, getting this award. I asked her if she faced any difficulty as a woman entrepreneur. And she said that because of all this process becoming simple, ये जो बहुत आसान सा उन्होंने कर दिया था, इसी वजह से वो आज ये सफलता पा रही हैं. And she has, of course, won the award. Let's have a huge round of applause for someone like Sulochana.
మా పార్ట్నర్ వచ్చి మా ఫ్రెండ్ మమతాలు మేమిద్దరం 20 years ఆమె హస్బెండ్ కూడా 20 years అదే కంపెనీలో జాబ్ చేశారు. సరే మనం ఎందుకు స్టార్ట్ చేయకూడదు, ఇప్పుడు ఏపీ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ఇప్పుడు కొత్తగా మాకు ఇండస్ట్రీకి అంతా ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తుంది బాగా. మనం వచ్చేసి చెన్నైలో ఉన్నాము యాక్చువల్గా, ఒక రబ్బర్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో జాబ్ చేస్తూ మనమే సొంతంగా చేసుకుందాము ఫైనాన్స్గా కొంచెం హెల్ప్. రబ్బర్ ఇండస్ట్రీలోనే జాబ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు, వాళ్ళిద్దరు ఫ్రెండ్స్ యాక్చువల్గా. మేమిద్దరం ఫ్రెండ్స్. మనం అనుకుందే తడుగా ఫైనాన్స్ కార్పొరేషన్ వాళ్ళని మేము రిక్వెస్ట్ చేసుకున్నాము.
I think they both should share the stage.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. స్పెషల్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు సిద్ధార్థ జైన్. ఈ అవార్డుకి వచ్చినందుకు కారణం, మీరు ఎంపిక చేసిన దానికి కారణం కూడా వారు ఫైనాన్స్ ఇవ్వబట్టి మేము ఈ స్టేజ్లో ఉన్నాము. యాక్చువల్గా నేను 10th class చదివాను, నేను డిగ్రీ లేదు, ఏదీ లేదు. ఇప్పుడు నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను. మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ చూసి నేను ఇన్స్పైర్ అవుతున్నాను. నేను ఇంకా బాగా రావాలని చెప్పి కూడా నేను ట్రై చేస్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
सुलोचना and ममता, can you just stand for a moment? Of course, she is saying कि वो सिर्फ 10वीं तक पढ़ी हैं, पर क्या ऐसा लगता है हमें? Because she has absolutely managed to really reach heights in her enterprise. She says, I studied only up to 10th standard, and in fact, I never thought that I would come up to this stage. But then, she has met with much success. That is Miss Mamta with her, and together they have done this enterprise. She also mentioned that they were actually working for another company in Chennai, but at some point thought, why not do this ourselves? And of course, the Financial Corporation and the IAS officer, Shri Siddharth Jain, whom they mentioned so many times, has enabled them. And I think this is the kind of thing that people support each other, and we are very, very proud of you. Meer gurinchi chala gauravanga kuda undi, and thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yet another time, they mentioned that they were treated with a lot of respect. And like I said, I think this is something that policymakers should also take note of. I would like to now invite any other person who would like to come and share your thoughts as we move towards closing this program. Is there anybody? Yes. Can we? Probably we can take about 2 more people, looks like. Please. Is your name Akash? Okay, not bad. Let's welcome Shri Akash with a round of applause.